logging on and logging off. To log on, you will need to enter your password. Your password is your driver number. Press the login button. To log off, press the log off button. Starting and finishing work. You need to press the Start Work button when you start driving your vehicle for the first time of the day. Once pressed, you will need to enter the vehicle kilometres, the vehicle rego, and answer all the questions. Press Done, enter your name, and sign on the screen. Press Done. At the end of your workday, when you turn your vehicle off, press the Finish Work button. Press Yes to confirm, enter the vehicle kilometres, and press Finish. Your fatigue management hours will start when you press Start Work and will finish when you press Finish Work. If you have not pressed Start Work, you cannot complete jobs. If you are operating your vehicle, you must be logged in and have pressed the Start Work button. Messaging in the application. To message the allocators, press the Messages button. Type your message in this box, press Send. Messages from the allocators will come through like this and will show you their name. Press the menu button to go back to the main screen. Accepting work. When you receive a job, it will come through like this. Ensure it is the job you have been advised. Press the green Accept Job button. It will now go into your active work. Completing a single drop job. Click Active Work, then click on the job you are completing. The job number and the vehicle booking size is here, the customer name, the caller, any reference numbers, and pickup time required is here. Always ensure you check the pickup time. Jobs ready for pickup now will just show the time it was booked. When you arrive at your pickup, press Arrive Pickup. When you have finished loading and are ready to depart, press Pick Up Job. Enter the name of who loaded you here. Print their name or place the initials here. No signature from customer is required. Press Done. When you arrive at the delivery, press Arrive Stop. When you have delivered and are ready to depart, press Drop Stop. Enter name here and print either their name or their initials here. Press Done. When the job has been completed, press Complete Job. Confirm by pressing Yes. Completing various drop jobs. Accept your job. You will notice the delivery leg says Various. Click Active Work and go into the job. When you arrive at your pickup, press Arrive Pickup. Once you know where you will be delivering to, you will need to update your delivery legs. Press Options, then press Add Additional Stop. Select or search for your suburb. You can enter any details here. Press Done. Continue to add the rest of your deliveries in the order that you will deliver in. When finished at the pickup, press Pick Up Job and enter the name as per the last example. Before continuing, you will need to get your fleet controller to remove the Various delivery leg. You can call them or you can query the job. To query a job, press Options, then press Query Job. Send a message as per the messaging example. You can now complete your job as per the last example in completing single drop job. Tolls, detentions, and taking photos. Once road tolls are approved by your fleet controller, press Options, then press Add Toll Charge. Enter TOL in the toll code and then enter the name of who approved it in here. Press Send. To request a detention number, press Options, then press Query Job. Message through asking for a detention number and the reason why. You will be taught when detentions are required in your inductions. It is also written on the run sheet book. Some customers will require a photo of signed customers' paperwork as a POD. To take a photo, press Options, press Take Photo. Ensure photos are of signed customer paperwork only, or the No Paperwork page in your run sheet book. Starting and finishing breaks. To start a break, press Start Break. Confirm Yes. Once you have finished the break and it has been at least a minimum 15 minutes, press Finish Break. Press Yes to confirm. You should now know how to use Hub Mobile.